The world's first vegan hotel suite has opened with everything from the pillows to the furniture made from plant-based materials. The suite has been created at Hilton's London Bankside Hotel, which consulted with the Vegan Society on which vegan-friendly materials to use. On entry, guests using the suite are greeted at a special check-in desk in the lobby upholstered using Piñatex, a leather alternative made from pineapple leaves, and are given a keycard made from the same material. Inside the room they will find pillows that have been made using environmentally friendly materials, not feathers. These include a pillow filled with organic buckwheat husks, a kapak pillow made from natural kapak, a millet pillow that consists of organic millet husks, an orthopedic memory foam pillow made with bamboo shredded fiber along with an anti-allergy foam pillow, made with 100% recycled cluster polyester. The bed's headboard is also made from Piñatex leather and has been hand-embroidered by local artist Emily Potter. The stylish, solid stone gray flooring with a distressed finish is made with 100% renewable and sustainable Mosa bamboo. The suite also includes responsibly sourced organic cotton carpets for guests to sink their feet into. While the desk chair, poofs and cushions that feature in the suite have been created using Piñatex leather too. The desk, meanwhile, comes kitted out with stationery from notepads, pens and pencils that are all vegan-friendly with no animal traces in the paper or ink. In the bathroom, the suite provides products from vegan-friendly brand Prija Ginseng, and essentials such as the shower cap and nail kit have been made using recycled packaging. The mini bar offers a variety of locally sourced, vegan treats including Gray's protein powder, naked fruit and nut snacks, and deliciously Ella energy balls in different flavors. Even the hotel's housekeeping trolleys have been refreshed with eco-friendly products, including Method's range of nature-inspired, non-toxic and non-animal tested cleaning products. And all linen is washed with environmentally friendly detergent. James B. Clark, the general manager of Hilton London Bankside, said, "Here at Hilton London Bankside, we are always looking at ways to innovate and bring new experiences to our guests. Our Expo restaurant offering is already expansive, catering to many different dietary requirements, so we thought, why not apply the same concept to our rooms? Veganism is not just a dining trend, it has become a lifestyle choice for many, and in turn, we want to be the first hotel to be able to offer those who follow the plant-based lifestyle the chance to fully immerse themselves within it from the moment they walk into the hotel." While Danielle Saunders from the Vegan Society added, "Having been involved with the planning of Hilton London Bankside's vegan suite since the early stages in 2018, we're thrilled to see the concept come to life. The hotel has carefully selected different plant-based features with exceptional attention to detail, and we are pleased to see that those who live the vegan lifestyle are now able to expand their plant-based options with the opportunity to enjoy vegan travel. We are excited to be able to direct our followers and supporters to a hotel which incorporates the whole lifestyle experience from checking in to sleeping in plant-based linen and furniture. The vegan suite is open for reservations now.